This video I am going to explain the image formed by concave mirrors. Concave mirrors forms real images. In only one case it forms virtual images. Okay, when the object is kept in between focus and the pole, in that case it forms the virtual images. But in all other cases, it forms the real images. It's okay. So I have drawn 6 ray diagrams, you can say, and they all have I explained it beautifully. I think it will be useful to you all. Please watch it. Today I am going to explain the image formation by concave mirror. It is concave mirror. The images concave mirror is like this. This is a concave mirror. Concave mirror. This is concave mirror. Okay, and this is the principal axis. This point is called the middle of this mirror, is known as pole. And this principal axis, this is the focus. Focus is a point where all the images converge. After reflection, they converge at this point, and this is the center of curvature. This is known as the focal length. This is focal length. From here to here, this is called the focal length. This is focal length, and from here to here, this is called the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. So okay, this is, let me write here focus here. Focus, and this is the center of curvature. It's okay. This is sure, and this is the principal axis. This is called the pole. In lens, this is known as optical center. In mirror, the center of this mirror is known as the pole. Okay, and this is the reflecting surface this way, and that is okay. This way the surface has been polished. So in case of image formation, the image is kept first at infinity. The image is kept at infinity. Infinity, the ray coming from infinity means they are coming very far away from. So the image coming from infinity is like this. It is supposed to be parallel to the principal axis. This is the ray coming from infinity. Okay, the object is at infinity. Infinity means far away from the center of curvature. Okay, or from the center of curvature. It's okay. So this ray after reflection will move this way. From the focus will move this way. From the focus is okay. Second, if you draw one ray downward here like this, it is like this. Okay, this ray also okay, after touching the reflecting surface of this mirror will reflect back this way. So this is the focus. So they are converging at the focus, and this is the place where the image is formed when the object is at infinity. It's okay. So, and the image formed here is very small as compared to the object, and it is a real one. It is because it is on the principal axis. Okay, and one thing here now. If the image is above principal axis, so that is also real. If it is below principal axis, that is virtual. So this is on the principal axis, therefore the image will be real. Real image can be obtained on a screen, and real images are formed by actual intersection of reflected ray. So okay, the image formed is at F, it is now. So object here object is object, when the object is at infinity, okay, image is a real one, image is a real one. So okay, the image is real when the object is at infinity. So this is the one condition. I have just, this is the one condition. It's okay. Now the second is that, okay, when the object is at, okay, beyond C. Look, this is a concave mirror, like this. This is the principal axis, So okay, this is the pole, this is the focus, okay, and this is the center of curvature. This distance and this distance is same, means the distance here, this distance, this focus, this is the focus from here to here, focal length it is called, and this is called the radius of curvature. You know, so radius of curvature is twice the focal length, or that implies focus is half of radius of curvature, right? Okay, when the image is kept here like this at infinity, this is the center of curvature, and when the image is kept here at infinity, means a certain away from the center of curvature, then the image formed is on the focus, and that is a real one. It is here. Okay, and small, diminished, it is known as diminished. One word is used for this one, diminished. So when the image, okay, will bring like this, it is here. When the image will be like this, okay. When the image was at infinity, when the object was at infinity, the image was here on the focus. It's okay. This is the image, this is the object, so it was focused. So when the image will move towards the mirror, so okay, this will move here like this, it will move like this, it will move. If this is moving towards the mirror, the image will move away from the mirror like this, it is here. So in this case, the image will be between F and C. So okay, so when it comes here, the image, this position is known as the beyond C. This is the object, this is the image. Just I am explaining it here now, what is the relation between the formation of image and the object movement. So that I am just explaining it first. Okay, so when the object is at C here now, so this image will also collide like this here. So image will be here only. So this is the object and this is the image. So image will be here at this position. So okay, if this is moving towards if the image is moving towards the in between F and C it is here, then the image will move away here like this, it is here. So image will be beyond C at this position. When it is on the focus, when the object is in the focus, the image will be at infinity. Okay, like this it is. Okay, it's okay. And when the image is in between pole and the focus here at this position, then that case is a special case in which the image is a virtual one, and it will form behind the mirror. That I will explain later on. So all the images, if you keep it, this is the focus. If you keep it till here to here, okay, the image will be in front of this mirror. But if you keep the object in between F and P, focus and the pole, the image will be found behind the mirror, and that is a virtual one. Okay, let me explain. Let me draw the images. So one I have explained, that is the image when the image is at infinity. So let me draw one image here beyond C. That is called the beyond C. This is AB. This is AB. So there is beyond C. I'm just rubbing this one. It's okay now. This it has no use now. It's okay like this. It's okay. So when it is beyond C, मतलब beyond the center of curvature, then one ray will go parallel to the principal axis like this. So any ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus. It is like this. It will pass through the focus. It is like this. Okay. Any ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus. This is very important one. I told any ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection will pass through the focus, or opposite to this is that any ray which is passing through the focus after reflection will reflect parallel to the principal axis, just because of that. So, okay. Now one more ray will have to draw, and that is the focus here. Look here, the focus. Just I am drawing a ray passing through the focus. It is like this. This is the ray. So focus it is here. So how it will go? It will move. It will be like this. It is here. It will like this. So it is like this. It's okay. It will move parallel to the principal axis. So the intersection of these two rays is here at this point. This point it is here. Okay. So this is when the object is above, the image is below here. Okay, and this is the real one. This is the real one. A dash B dash. We usually show image by putting dashes here. Dashes. A dash B dash. A dash B dash means image of AB. So in this case is what you see here, that when the object is at is beyond C, image is in between F and C. F is focus and C the center of curvature, and it is diminished, means smaller. Diminished and smaller. Diminished means smaller, and this is real. It is diminished and real. It is okay. When the object is beyond C, image is in between F and C, diminished and real it is. So this is the way to find images. Okay. So now I've explained when the object is on C. Now I'm going to explain when the object is kept on C. The object is kept on C. This is the mirror here now. And the object is kept at C. It is like this. And this is the principal axis. This is the pole. This is the focus. And this is the center of curvature. Now keep the object here. Keep the object here like this. It is AB. Object is AB here now. So one ray will pass parallel to the principal axis. Always it is here like this. It is. So a ray that is passing through the principal axis, parallel to the principal axis, will reflect through this focus like this. It is. Okay. Next ray we have to draw passing through the focus. It is like this. It is like this. It's okay. So any ray that is passing through the focus will move parallel to the principal axis, isn't it here? So it will be like this. It's okay. So the image form will be here. It is like this. So this is A dash and this is B dash. Okay, the image is, this is the center of curvature. So the image is at C. It's okay. Image is at C. So this arrow sign is very important one, arrow sign, that indicates in what way, in what direction the rays are moving. So what you see here now, object at C, image at C, okay, same size and the real one, it is real, the image is real, this real one, it's okay, this is now okay, real one. When the object is above the principal axis, then the image, when it is formed down the principal axis, so that will be a real one. When the object is above the principal axis and the image is also formed above the principal axis, so that will be a virtual one. So okay, remember it. Once again I am repeating here now. When the object is above the principal axis and the image formed is below the principal axis, so that will be real. Okay, and the real images are always inverted. Look at this, is inverted. Real means inverted, it is here, inverted means head down and leg up. This is head, this is leg, and this is the head, this is the leg, like this. So inverted is, real images are always inverted. Okay, now let me draw one more image of when the object is in between C and F. Now the image is in between C and F. We draw here C and F. This is A, this is B. Okay. In the same way, draw one ray that is parallel to this principal axis, and after reflection it will pass through the focus. It is like this, it's okay. Now another way you can use passing through this focus. Use this focus here, this is the focus, it is your focus. Okay, it will move parallel to this principal axis, just like this. It's okay. What you see here is that the reflected ray are intersecting here at this point. Here it is at this point. Is here now. It is this point. This is A dash and this is B dash. It's okay. This is A dash and B dash. So the image formed is beyond C. This is beyond C. It's okay. When the object was at C, okay, the image was also on C. We have just seen in the previous figure. When the object is kept here, the image is here. Okay. We can just compare like this. This is the object and this is the image. This is the object and this is the image. The object is in between C and F, and the image is beyond C. This is C here, central curvature, and it is beyond C. This is the position. This is the image. And this is inverted. Real images are always inverted, so they are never erect. This you have to keep in mind. Now, so you can say here that now image, object, now like a object at in between F and C, where the image is beyond C. This is enlarged. This is enlarged, a bit enlarged. Okay, this is enlarged. Okay, real, and the reals are always inverted, like this. Real images are always inverted, you know. Clear? Okay. So now the next question is keeping the object on F. Now let us keep the object at F, it is like this. This is A and this is B. Image is AB. In the same way, first you draw a ray parallel to the principal axis. So after reflection, it will pass to the focus, no doubt. Just like this, is okay. Next ray, I would say that you better draw from the center of curvature, okay, to the top of this object. So any ray that is passing through the center of curvature is not deviated, means they reflect back on the same path. This is like this. So it is like this. You can just say here now. You can say it is like this. It is like this. Okay. If you draw with the scale, I will get a perfect image. Since I am doing the freehand sketching, that's why a bit may be different here. But if you draw with the scale, it will be same. Look here. This is the ray passing through the center of curvature. This is the center of curvature, and the top of this image. So this is okay. It's passing like this. It is here. So the image will reflect on the same path. Okay. This image, the reflection will be on the same path. It is here. So these two reflected rays are parallel to each other. Therefore, parallel rays are supposed to be meet at infinity. Therefore, the image form will be at infinity. Parallel rays are supposed to meet at infinity. Therefore, the image form will be at infinity. So, object at F. Image at infinity, and which is real. Okay, first right here, highly enlarged, बहुत बड़ा, highly enlarged, and it is real, and real inverse are always inverted, you know, like this it is. Okay, next. So till now, okay, I drew 5 images now here of an object. So they are all real one. Now when the object will be kept here in between focus and the pole, here keep it here in between the focus and the pole, the image form will be a virtual one. So just I am going to show you that. Okay. Now see here, this is an object. Okay, AB is the object. Okay, how to draw this ray diagram? So first you want to take now, we will use the laws of reflection. The first law of reflection is that the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. So you draw one ray here passing through this focus here. So this will reflect like this, making the same angle. This angle is equal to this angle. So okay, this is one. Secondly, you just move one ray to the center of curvature. It is like this. It is like this. So they will reflect on the same path. It's okay. Now look here. These two reflected rays are not parallel, so they are not supposed to meet anywhere, because non-parallel rays never meet anywhere how long they are produced. Therefore, in this case, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to produce in the back, in the backward one, in the back it like this. So like this. So this dot line means this is a virtual, virtual ray. It is like this. It is like this. It's okay. So this is a virtual ray. So look at they meet it here, and this is the virtual image will be formed like this. This is the virtual A dash and the B dash. This is the virtual image. Virtual image are shown with dotted line. It's okay. So AB is the virtual image. It's okay. So now here, object object in between P and C. P means pole and C means P and F, it is not C, and focus. Image, where is image? Image is beyond C, beyond the mirror, mirror के पीछे, beyond the mirror is here, mirror, and this is highly enlarged, and it is virtual, and it is erect. ये सीधा रहता है, erect है, सीधा है. Okay, virtual images are always erect. So this is all about the ray diagram of this concave mirrors. Okay, concave mirror forms, in all other cases it forms a real image, but in one case it forms a virtual image when the object is kept in between focus and the pole. Okay, and it's right. That's all it is here.